Hey car enthusiasts! Are you tired of the backbreaking work of manual car jacks? Ever found yourself stranded with a flat tire, dreading the physical effort needed to lift your vehicle? What if I told you there's a smarter, safer, and more efficient way to lift your car? Today, I'm thrilled to share my comprehensive review of the top 7 electric car jacks that will transform your vehicle maintenance experience. After months of rigorous testing in various conditions, I've compiled detailed insights about each model's performance, reliability, and value for money. 7. STANDTALL Electric Car Jack 3-Ton. During my initial testing phase, I was immediately impressed by its compact design and straightforward setup process. The jack connects effortlessly to your vehicle's 12-volt power outlet, and within moments, you're ready to lift your car. The scissor design is particularly noteworthy as it provides exceptional stability even on slightly uneven surfaces. I tested this on my driveway, which has a slight gradient, and the jack maintained its balance perfectly. The lifting capacity of 3 tons easily handled my sedan and even my neighbor's compact SUV without any strain. One feature that really stood out during nighttime testing was the built-in LED light. It's not just a gimmick. The illumination is powerful enough to light up your entire work area, making it invaluable for roadside emergencies after dark. The light's positioning is well thought out, casting an even beam exactly where you need it. The lifting speed deserves special mention. In my trials, it consistently achieved full extension in just about 2 minutes, which is impressive for its class. The automatic operation is smooth, with minimal vibration during both lifting and lowering phases. However, I did notice that during extended use, particularly in warmer weather, the motor tends to get quite vocal. While this doesn't affect performance, it's something to be aware of if you're working in noise-sensitive environments. The plastic components, while adequately durable, don't inspire the same confidence as the metal parts, though they held up well during my 3-month testing period. 6. FEANISIFEI Electric Car Jack. The FEANISIFEI model brings an interesting combination of features to the table. During my extensive testing period, I found myself repeatedly impressed by its versatility and thoughtful design elements. The integrated air pump is a standout feature that proved its worth multiple times during my testing phase. What sets this jack apart is its hydraulic system's smooth operation. The lifting motion is consistent and stable, without the jerky movements I've experienced with some other models. The safety lock mechanism is robust and engages with a satisfying click, giving you peace of mind when working under your vehicle. I particularly appreciated the height range during testing. The 12-centimeter, 45-centimeter span meant I could easily work with various vehicles, from lowered sports cars to higher-riding SUVs. The automatic operation is controlled through an intuitive interface that even complete beginners can master quickly. The build quality impressed me during durability testing. I subjected it to repeated use in various weather conditions, and it maintained consistent performance throughout. The corrosion-resistant coating showed no signs of wear, even after exposure to light rain and high humidity. One minor drawback I noticed was the controller cord length. While adequate for most situations, an extra foot of length would make it easier to operate from a safer distance, particularly when working with larger vehicles. The included storage case is well designed, though I would have preferred more compartments for organizing the accessories. 5. A upgraded electric car jack. My experience with the ROGTZ upgraded model revealed significant improvements over previous versions. The enhanced hydraulic system is a game changer, offering unprecedented stability and precise control during lifting operations. The digital display quickly became one of my favorite features during testing. It provides real-time height readings and battery status, eliminating guesswork from the lifting process. The display is clearly visible even in bright sunlight, which I particularly appreciated during outdoor testing sessions. The intelligent protection system proved its worth multiple times during my testing period. When I intentionally approached the weight limit with a larger vehicle, the system immediately alerted me and prevented any potential overloading situations. This kind of safety feature is invaluable for preventing accidents and equipment damage. Construction quality is exceptional, with impact-resistant materials used throughout. I deliberately tested its durability by exposing it to various weather conditions and rough handling, and it emerged unscathed. The carrying case is well designed and provides excellent protection during transport. While the setup time is slightly longer compared to simpler models, the additional safety features and stability make it well worth the extra minute or two. The emergency manual operation feature, though I never needed to use it in a real emergency, worked flawlessly in my test scenarios. Number 4. VEVOR electric car jack. During my extensive testing period with the VEVOR electric car jack, I was consistently impressed by its robust construction and attention to detail. The all-metal frame and reinforced lifting points immediately instill confidence, while the hydraulic system operates with remarkable smoothness that surpasses many competitors in its price range. The integrated inflator pump proved to be a standout feature during my real-world testing scenarios. When faced with a flat tire on a rainy evening, the powerful pump inflated a 17-inch tire in just under 4 minutes. The digital pressure gauge provides accurate readings, eliminating the need for separate testing equipment. I particularly appreciated the auto shutoff feature that prevents overinflation. The remote control operation sets this model apart from many competitors. During testing, I found the wireless controller responsive up to 15 feet away, allowing for safe operation from a comfortable distance. The LED work light system provides excellent illumination with 3 brightness settings, making it perfect for nighttime emergencies. I tested this feature in complete darkness, and the coverage area was more than adequate for tire changes and basic repairs. Durability testing involved repeated use in various weather conditions, including light rain and high humidity. The weather-resistant coating showed no signs of corrosion or wear after 3 months of regular use. The overload protection system activated flawlessly when I intentionally tested it with weights approaching its maximum capacity, demonstrating its reliable safety features. One minor drawback I discovered during long-term testing was the storage bag's durability. While functional, the stitching began to show signs of wear after multiple uses. However, this is a small concern given the jack's outstanding performance and build quality. The power cord could also benefit from being a few feet longer for easier access to power sources. 3. E-HEELP electric car jack automatic. The E-HEELP automatic model showcases advanced engineering that became evident during my comprehensive testing phase. The automatic height adjustment system is remarkably precise, consistently stopping within millimeters of the programmed height across multiple trials. The emergency power backup system proved invaluable during my simulated power failure tests. When I deliberately disconnected the main power source mid-lift, the backup system engaged immediately, allowing for safe lowering of the vehicle. This feature alone sets it apart from many competitors and provides essential peace of mind during critical operations. During stability testing, the cross-groove slip-resistant pad demonstrated exceptional grip on various surfaces, including slightly wet concrete and asphalt. The pad's design effectively distributes weight while preventing any lateral movement, even when tested on slight inclines. The quick lift technology consistently raised vehicles to maximum height in under 90 seconds, significantly faster than most competitors. The thermal protection system underwent rigorous testing in high-temperature conditions. During a series of consecutive lifts in 95 degrees Fahrenheit weather, the system maintained optimal operating temperature without any performance degradation. The built-in temperature sensors accurately monitored and regulated the motor's performance throughout extended use. While the price point is higher than some competitors, the build quality justifies the investment. After 3 months of regular use, all moving parts remained smooth and responsive, with no signs of wear or decreased performance. The included carrying case is well designed with reinforced corners and water-resistant material, protecting the unit during transport and storage. 2. STANDTALL electric car jack 5-ton. The STANDTALL 5-ton model represents a significant step up in capability and functionality. During my testing period, this powerhouse handled everything from compact cars to full-size pickup trucks with impressive stability and control. The increased lifting capacity opens up new possibilities for heavy-duty vehicle maintenance. The included impact wrench is a game-changing addition that I thoroughly tested on various wheel types. It delivers consistent torque and makes quick work of even the most stubborn lug nuts. The variable speed control allows for precise operation, while the ergonomic design reduces operator fatigue during extended use. The all-in-one design proved extremely practical during real-world testing scenarios. Having a jack, impact wrench, and tire inflator in one package streamlined the tire change process significantly. The digital pressure gauge provided consistent, accurate readings across multiple tire sizes and pressures, making it a reliable tool for maintenance work. Durability testing revealed exceptional build quality throughout. The heavy-duty construction showed no signs of stress even when regularly lifting vehicles near its maximum capacity. The reinforced lifting points and stable base design maintained perfect balance throughout all testing scenarios. The only significant drawback I encountered was the unit's weight, which affects portability. At nearly 40 pounds, it's considerably heavier than lighter-duty models. However, the included wheels and handle make movement manageable, and the extra weight contributes to its stability during operation. 1. E-HEELP electric car jack, latest version. The latest E-HEELP model truly represents the pinnacle of electric car jack technology. During my extensive testing period, this model consistently outperformed every other jack in terms of speed, precision, and ease of use. The LCD display is crystal clear in all lighting conditions, providing real-time information about height, battery level, and system status. The intelligent control system's sophistication became apparent during various testing scenarios. The microprocessor-controlled lifting mechanism maintains perfect balance throughout the lifting process, while multiple safety sensors continuously monitor operation parameters. When I intentionally created uneven weight distributions, the system immediately detected and alerted me to the potential hazard. The upgraded hydraulic system demonstrates remarkable smoothness and precision. During repeated testing with various vehicles, the jack maintained consistent lifting speeds regardless of load weight. The emergency manual override feature, which I tested extensively, provides a foolproof backup system for lowering vehicles in case of power failure. The quick connect power cables and enhanced motor efficiency result in the fastest operation times I've recorded. From initial placement to full extension, this model consistently outperformed others by 20 to 30 seconds. The motor runs quieter than previous versions while delivering more power, a significant improvement I noticed during extended use. The storage case deserves special mention for its thoughtful design. Unlike many competitors, it includes dedicated compartments for all accessories and cables, protecting them during transport. The case material is water-resistant and features reinforced corners, ensuring long-term durability. After 3 months of frequent use and transport, both the jack and case showed minimal wear, testament to their excellent build quality.